Topline Business Development Corporation, through its subsidiary 𝗧cie𝗽 Corporation, inaugurated 3 new service stations in Mandaue City on Tuesday, October 15, 2024.
From 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Congratulations to our 𝗧cie𝗽
Marked by a ribbon cutting and blessing ceremony. These stations are strategically situated along Hagobiao Cebu North Road, AC Cortez Avenue, and North Reclamation Road Owano Avenue, with plans to add 7 more by year's end to better serve Cebu's underserved customers. Topline's CEO Eugene Erik Lim highlighted a fresh approach with 𝗧cie𝗽's express stations, which are specifically designed to accommodate two-wheeled and light-wheeled vehicles.
It's quite unique because when we expand 𝗧cie𝗽's Express, it's a smaller version of the mega stations. So if you're thinking about it, when we're expanding, it's like instead of 1,000 square meters, it's 5,000, it's basically 500 square meters. And then the good thing for this one is we're catering to the niche market kato mga motorcycle drivers na muna naka-close to yung canopy here to make sure nga if magulan and everything, we can rest there and everything. So now there will be a lot of refueling areas here. We're coordinating with our technical team to make sure that there's a time and motion sa fuel. So we'll make sure that it can accommodate more two-wheeler and light vehicles for this development. So be prepared in the next few stations. We're going to open 𝗧cie𝗽's Express stations, which is a smaller outfit moving forward.
He reaffirmed Topline's commitment to service and safety, which are core values that drive the company forward.
Core values here in Topline, it's basically service and safety. Service because you want to make sure that our service is not only at par of the industry, but it has to be higher when you do our service. So for us, we still believe in human-to-human interaction. When we discuss, our salespeople goes to the client and everything. These are things that they're just going the extra mile in terms of service. So they're basically pushing the envelope even further. It's quite unique. And for safety, well, because again, as what you've seen earlier, we're distributing liquid fuel. So we want to make sure that we're distributing mga flammable products and everything. So we want to make sure that the level of safety is above standard.
With this exciting debut, 𝗧cie𝗽's is set to illuminate the journeys of Cebuano consumers in the oil industry. This has been 𝗟𝗶 𝗟𝗶 for MyTV Cebu.